Sleep. Good morning. Feel like I've been sleeping in the goddamn turtle shell. You understand me? But you know, best thing about sleeping in the turtle shell, when you come up out that motherfucker, you get a nice stretch. You dig? Yeah, you ball up when you sleep. But I'm only saying this to say this. Please allow yourself a moment of time to give yourself credit. You know what I'm saying? To give yourself some accolades, to be proud of yourself, for getting you this far. Because this is as far as we've gotten in life. You dig what I'm saying? Like, it's like, it goes further than this, and it has been going further. But this particular time right now belongs to us, those who are among the living, and those who manage to open their eyes, take a deep breath, brush your teeth. But you ever have a conversation with a person, right? And it'd be it's small, conversation. What I mean by a small conversation is that the length of time. Now, the content of the conversation is very, very large, right? So what I'm basically saying is you are communicating with another person, right? And then the motherfucker just say, I'm gonna give an example. It's just like saying, hey man, I wonder how many stars there are in the sky. And then the person say, we gonna talk about that after I take a shit.